A day after Union Home Minister Amit Shah had acknowledged the importance of fencing along Indo-Myanmar border to check infiltration, News 18 has come out with a shocking news report claiming that central government has decided to pause fencing work in Kuki-dominated areas in Manipur. News 18 claims that recent meeting with top Home Ministry officials concluded that fencing work in a few hill areas where the Kuki population resides will be done later, while fencing will continue in other parts of the Indo-Myanmar border. A top-level official reportedly stated that the focus has shifted to areas with Naga populations as fencing work there will be completed first. According to the report, a senior government official had told News 18 that the decision has been made in view of concerns raised by the Kuki community, which primarily resides in the border area. The work will first be done in the northern part of Manipur. The government has taken demands of Kuki community in consideration, but fencing will be done later. Kuki organizations have been opposing the fencing of the Indo-Myanmar border, claiming it dents the free movement regime. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has stated that the Modi government is committed to building impenetrable borders. The Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) decided to scrap the free movement regime (FMR) between India and Myanmar to ensure internal security and maintain the demographic structure of India's northeastern states bordering Myanmar.